friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Dell's new Inspiron 16 plus 16-inch 3K notebook. So friend, Dell will begin offering 16-inch 3K laptop PC Inspiron 16 plus, and friend, the CPU is Core i7-12700H, and the liquid crystal is a high quality screen with a color gamut of 100% and brightness of 300 nits, as well as support for wide dynamic range. And friend, furthermore, the TÜV Rheinland-certified Comfort View Plus, Comfort View Plus eliminates harmful blue light and flicker, as well as the strain of long hours of computer work. And friend, the graphic function can be chosen between Intel Iris Xe graphics card and GeForce RTX 3060 GDDR6 6GB, and friend, the latter has dedicated hardware acceleration features like ray tracing, video encoding and decoding, and AI capabilities, allowing you to handle creative operations like content production and 3D rendering faster. And friend, the lowest price platinum model features Intel Iris Xe graphics card and friend, DDR5 4800 16GB for memory, 512GB NVMe M.2 SSD for storage, USB 3.2 Gen.1 Type-A2 for interface, Thunderbolt 4x1, universal headset jack into 1, HDMI 2.0x1, and other features. And friend, the network is outfitted with wireless LAN Intel Wi-Fi 6E AX211 and Bluetooth 5.2. And friend, Windows 11 Home is pre-installed on the OS. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.